No!
Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing 3 super easy kids-friendly recipes using my Tastier bags. These recipes are perfect for hectic moms who want to make delicious food with minimal effort. I've always been curious about Tastier bags, so when I saw them on sale, I bought some and they are amazing. I wish I had gotten them sooner. You can boil, microwave, freeze, and even bake with them. Alright, let's get started. First, let's make steamed chicken with soy garlic sauce. By using the Tastier bag and cooking at the low temperature, the chicken stays juicy and becomes super tender. Plus, you can just leave it in the pot and wait. Take 2 chicken breasts and poke holes with a fork. Rub the sugar. We rub in the sugar first because it has larger molecules. If you add salt first, the sugar won't absorb as well, and the chicken might end up too salty. Put the chicken into your Tastier bag. Add 2 tablespoons of sake and 1 teaspoon of salt. Seal it. And then drop it into a pot of boiling water. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. Let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour. Let's make the sauce. Vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, sesame seeds, garlic, ginger, and green onions. Once the chicken is done, slice it up. Pour the sauce over, and it's ready. The recipe is a bit sweeter for the kids. For adults, you can add some cherry to spice it up. Next up, we have a simple but flavorful spinach gomaae with a peanut butter twist that kids will love. Place baby spinach into your Tastier bag. Leave a small gap open and microwave it for 1 minute. Once done, cool the spinach with cold water, then squeeze out the excess water. If you skip this step, some bitterness will remain. Now mix the seasonings: 2 teaspoons mirin, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 teaspoons peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. Soak the spinach in this mixture for about 5 minutes. Then it's ready to serve.
Good.
だみたいでしょ。
これ
これ
お化け？
お化けだよ。お化けだよ。みんなおいで。
遊ばない遊ばない。うち遊ばない。
で遊ばない。手伝う？
ママがやった。お母さんからお箸がどう。
でもお箸ママが使ってる。
これママがお姉さんのだけで。
そうだよ。
ママがやってください。
なんででしょうか。ほらこれゆいちゃんがさ洗ってくれたほうれん草だよ。
全部食べるぞ。強いぞ。全部食べるぞ。
あ、すごいじゃん。
全部食べる。
あー、やったー。イエーイ。なあ。
Finally, let's make a delicious lemon cheesecake. It's so creamy and tangy, perfect for dessert or snack. Be sure to give it a try if your kids love sour flavors. My daughter loves lemons. I heard that toddlers don't usually like sour flavors, so I was curious why my daughter does. Then I found an interesting study saying some kids might enjoy sour taste even more than adults. Kids aged 5 to 9 and their moms tried 4 lemon-flavored cherries with different levels of sourness. Surprisingly, about 35% of the kids liked sourest one, just as sour as lemon juice. Almost none of the moms picked it. The study also showed that kids who like sour flavors are more open to trying new foods. It looks like Yui-chan is open to new flavors too. I'm so proud of her for glowing up. Okay. Soften 250 grams of cream cheese in a Tastier bag. Add 90 grams of sugar. I use beet sugar. And 2 eggs.
ほんと？ゆいちゃんに卵割ってもらおうかな。
お、上手。
上手。はいはいはい。カラーチェックするね。カラーチェック。あれ？カラーないんじゃない？
すごい。
すごい。はい、ありがとう。
Mix well. Then pour in half cup of heavy cream.
いけなかった。
飲んでもいいよ。
飲まない。
ここに入れる？
うん、入るかな。そうそうそう。
And stir it all together.
こぼすよ。
ありがとう。まだゆいちゃんまだ。
Sift in 3 tablespoons of flour.
ゆうちゃんもやりたい。
あ
小麦粉どこ？パパどこ？
ー、わかんない。パパいなくなったね。せーの。あれ？切れないね。ちょっと違う包丁使おうか。せーの。こっちも切れない。ちょっと待って。せーの。
Then mix in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
はい、ちょっと待ってね。はい、はい、ありがとう。
Leave a small gap open. Bake at 340 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Once it's cooled, slice it up and enjoy.
ゆうちゃんもやりたい。
スライスしてくれる？
違うじゃないか、ゆうちゃん、そりゃ。違うよ、入りから違う、もう違う。
頑張れ。
違う、いいの？
何？
ゆうちゃん、まっすぐに切るの、まっすぐ、ちょっと。
いいしょって。そうそうそう。で切ったの食べてみて。
おいしい。
おいしい？
おいしい。ママ、おいしいよ。
あーよかった。グー？ママも食べよう。おいしい。
ママ、どこいる？
分けたよ。よいしょ。
Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!